Good morning, students. Welcome to the next video of Gogol's first day. So up to now we have discussed that when his father, means Gogol's father, took him to the school for admission, there they interacted with the principal and principal got confused between the name Nikhil and Gogol, and she was like, what is this term good name? Up to here we have only discussed. Now let's move to the next part, that is Mrs. Lapidus studies the registration form. She has not had to go through this confusion with the other two Indian children in the school. She opens up the folder and examines the immunization record and the birth certificate. There seems to be some. Then what happened? When his father said that it is his good name, then she just took out the registration form, and there she was in a little bit confusion, and this type of confusion did not occur with the other two Indian children. That's why she was astonished, she was surprised that what is this thing. Then she opened the folder of Gogol, means of Nikhil, and there was his birth certificate, his immunization record. Then when she went through those certificates, then she said, there seems to be some confusion, Mr. Ganguly. According to these documents, your son's legal name is Gogol. Now, when she went through the documents, she said that I think there is some kind of confusion. See, according to these documents, your son's name is Gogol. Then why you are addressing him Nikhil, and why you told me that his name is Nikhil? That is correct, but please allow me to explain. Then his father said that according to those certificates, his name is Gogol only. That is his legal name. But please, give me a chance. I want to say something. Please allow me to explain. Then, in between only, the principal interrupted that you want us to call him Nikhil. That is correct. Then, when his father was saying that please allow me to explain, in between only the principal said that, oh, I understood, you want us to call him Nikhil. Then the father said, yeah, correct, you understood. Mrs. Lapidus nods, the reason being, that is our wish. Then Mrs. Lapidus asked that why you want us to call him Nikhil. Then his father replied, because that is our wish. Our means his father as well as his mother. I am not sure I follow you, Mr. Ganguly. Do you mean that Nikhil is a middle name or a nickname? Many of the children go by nicknames here. On this form there is a space. Then again she said that I can't understand what you want to say. What do you want to say? That is Nikhil is his middle name or a nickname? See, if this is a nickname, then it's okay. In this school, there are many children who are called by nicknames. And see, here a space is also provided. Here you can mention his nickname. Then in between only, Mr. Ganguly interrupted and said, no, it's not a middle name. Ashok says, he is beginning to lose patience. He has no middle name. The boy's good name, his school name is Nikhil. Then when Mrs. Lapidus tried to force that this is his middle name or nickname, then in between only he interrupted and said, no, this is not middle name, this is no nickname, it's just that Nikhil is his good name. But again she was unable to understand, but Mrs. Lapidus presses her lips together and smiles, but clearly he doesn't respond. Then she said that okay, whatever, whether it is nickname, middle name, good name, whatever. But just see your child, just see your ward. He is not responding. He doesn't show any kind of response when he is called, he is addressed with that name. Please, Mrs. Lapidus, it's very common for a child to be confused at first. I assure you he will grow accustomed. He bends down and this time in Bengali calmly and quietly asks Gogol to please answer when Mrs. Lapidus asks a question. Don't be scared, Gogol, he says, raising his son's chin with his finger. You are a big boy now. Now what happened? As Mrs. Lapidus was unable to understand, then Mr. Ganguly said that please Don't just exaggerate this point. See, this is a very common thing that the child get confused, and I assure you, I just believe in me. He will adapt with this name, with this new name very soon. Just give him some time. And then he bends down towards his son, and this time in Bengali, very calmly, very quietly, just had a conversation with his son and said that, please dear, don't be afraid, don't be scared, just answer whatever your teacher is asking. You are a big boy now, so just behave like that. Though Mrs. Lapidus does not understand a word, she listens carefully and hears that name again, Gogol. Lightly in pencil, she writes it down on the registration form. Ashok hands over the lunch box and a windbreaker in case it gets cold. He thanks Mrs. Lapidus. Now what happened? Again, when that name was said by Ashok, this time Mrs. Lapidus heard that name and she was unable to understand, but she wrote that name on the registration form with pencil in bracket. And then what happened? Ashok just gave the lunch and the windbreaker, means jacket, if it turns cold, and then he went from there. He thanked the principal and he went from there. Be good, Nikhil, he says in English, and then after a moment's hesitation, he is gone. So he just greeted his son goodbye and said that please behave like a good child, and then he went away. When they are alone, Mrs. Lapidus asks, are you happy to be entering elementary school, Gogol? Now, when his father went away, now this time the principal addressed the kid with the name Gogol, not with the name Nikhil, and said that, are you happy that you are going to enter this new school? So are you happy? This question was asked by Nikhil. Now what will be the reply of Nikhil, that we will see in the next video. So that's all for today, students. Thank